I'm Sarah Taylor Silverwood and I'm working with National Trust Croome and Meadow Arts on a project exploring the landscape, flora and fauna here at Croome. We're making an animation that's going to be inspired by the flora and fauna, particularly those found on this pleasure walk area at Croome. So we're working with the young people to develop a series of characters that are based on some of the trees, the plants and flowers that we can find here today. We're kind of evolving them into a series of characters with their own backstories, their own kind of sound effects and like histories. And we're going to be also working with some sound equipment as well to kind of actually record a soundtrack for our animation.
I'm Janine McGarren. I'm creative producer here at Croome and in South Worcestershire for the National Trust. We've been working with young people from Pershore in collaboration with Meadow Arts and artist Sarah Taylor Silverwood to explore our Pages from Nature theme. Our Pages from Nature theme takes its inspiration from the Hortus Croomensis, a book written 200 years ago by the head gardener at Croome, William Dean. We've invited young people from Pershore to come to Croome to be inspired by our landscape and the story of the Hortus Croomensis. From this, they have worked with artist Sarah Taylor Silverwood to create new artworks for the landscape and the gallery to be seen throughout the year.
On the walk we saw lots of different shaped trees and I'm drawing one of them with a face and a scared expression. It's got like lots of branches and like a big leaves at the top. So we're doing an art workshop today and like we're taking inspiration from like cartoons and like the outdoors and the forest which is here. And with my idea I was thinking about like deforestation and thought about all the trees. So with my idea I put like a tree spirit and like it's like a protector of the trees and it gives trees life. And when they get cut down it can revive them at hand.
Today we've been walking around Croome and taking ideas for our characters that we're going to make into cartoons. We've looked around, we've gone on a walk to get ideas. So we've done some sound recording for our characters. Everyone's had a little go at everything, but it's been really fun today. I'm hoping to come back and see the results soon.
We worked with Sarah and all that, and we went on a walk to find like stuff to get ideas off and draw it. And we went on the walk and we found stuff to make things out of, like flowers and rocks and trees, and then we went back and drew them with paint pens and coloured them. So I was going to make our drawings into animations and display them at Croome.